Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video on prosecutorial discretion in immigration court. Today, we will be exploring the concept of prosecutorial discretion, its importance in the immigration court system, and how it affects immigration cases. First and foremost, let's define what prosecutorial discretion means in the context of immigration court. Prosecutorial discretion refers to the ability of immigration prosecutors to decide whether to initiate or continue removal proceedings against an individual. In other words, it allows prosecutors to prioritize certain cases and allocate limited resources based on the best interest of the country. Now, you may be wondering why prosecutorial discretion is important in the immigration court system. Well, one of the key reasons is that it helps alleviate the backlog of cases in immigration courts. With a large number of cases being heard every day, it is essential to prioritize which cases are more deserving of attention. By exercising prosecutorial discretion, immigration prosecutors can focus their efforts on cases that present a greater threat to national security or cases involving dangerous individuals, thus ensuring public safety. Additionally, prosecutorial discretion takes into account humanitarian factors. To be specific, it allows prosecutors to consider factors such as family ties, community contributions, and potential eligibility for relief when determining whether or not to pursue removal proceedings against an individual. This is especially important in cases involving vulnerable populations, such as victims of domestic violence or individuals seeking asylum. It's also worth mentioning that prosecutorial discretion can provide opportunities for individuals to pursue alternative forms of relief instead of being subject to removal. For instance, a prosecutor may decide to offer an individual the chance to apply for certain forms of relief. One needs to know that in immigration court, prosecutorial discretion may come in the form of administrative removal or dismissal. If the case is dismissed, one usually would lose their employment authorization that was based on a pending in-court application. If the case is administratively closed as opposed to being dismissed, then one will be able to renew their work permit, but will also be in removal proceedings, even though these proceedings will not be active, but can be reactivated at any time. Make sure you know what you are agreeing to when your attorney asks you to consider a prosecutorial discretion, rather than proceeding with removal proceedings. This can provide individuals with an opportunity to resolve their immigration status in a more favorable manner. To summarize, prosecutorial discretion is a vital tool in the immigration court system. It allows immigration prosecutors to prioritize cases, address the backlog, consider humanitarian factors, and provide alternative avenues for relief. By carefully assessing each case on an individual basis, prosecutorial discretion helps ensure that justice is served while ensuring the best interests of the country are protected. Thank you for watching today's video on prosecutorial discretion in immigration court. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. And as always, if you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them down below. Until next time, take care and stay informed.